But please, you are all recognized in your capacities. I would like to thank all of you who have come here today. Today is a day of thanking God for the gift of Honorable Michael Mawanda. I'm very certain all of you know what transpired, and I think At the end of it all, we are getting light. For some of us who visited the Honorable, he had hope. He had hope, and he always said one thing: go ahead with your work. For me, I'll soon come out. And here he is. In a very, very, very special way, I think we need to thank most sincerely two individuals. Our Chairman, General Muhoozi, and our General Secretary, Honorable Daudi Kabanda. I think when Honorable Mawanda was wherever he was, the person who might have visited him the most is Honorable David Kabanda. Amidst everything, whatever was said, he stood in. Yes. And whoever stood in at that time when Honorable Mawanda needed you the most, thank you very much. It's a lot that might have been said. People made conclusions, and people became judges. It is very, very unfortunate, but today we are seeing him man here today. To God be the glory. I can assure you, I shared with him, he's more determined than ever before to push our agenda forward. There is no doubt that General Muhoozi is the next president of this country. With no doubt, we shall soon see him in the highest office. So, and with those few remarks, I would once again to thank all of you for turning up in big numbers, and most especially on short notice. Please, let's keep our hope alive. General Museveni now and General Muhoozi next. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Shabarase, Rebesete, Wasrele Sanje, Ezabunyoro. Muevale. Abogona. Ebiralo byeyongera okuja. Thank you, my people. Thank you, SG. Thank you, JNMK. Thank you, Tata Muhoozi. NBS, Sky TV. Thank you, my people. Muevale. Nina and the team, thank you so much. Rubaga Division Team, Toyanzizanyo. Mama Madina, Mama Muhoozi. Banaye. Rukude kume.